Alright, here's how to use AI to update all blog posts on Autopilot. So I'm using Arval for example in this video. So let me just click on AI SEO article, and here if I go into my dashboard, WordPress dashboard, now you can see I have written on Go High Level. So let me just go here and write another article, which is review on Go High Level, and that's it. Click on add keyword, and once I add keyword, it's just going to take me to the waiting page. And here let me just go here and click on generate article. So that's it. The article will be written completely by Arval AI SEO Writer, and if I need to make any changes, I can do it in the AI SEO Writer inside the Arval itself, I'm sorry, editor, and I can also customize it everything. So let's just wait for it to produce an article for us. So we just got the article generated. Now I click on view article, and here that we can see now I can directly copy and paste it into my WordPress and click on update. So that's just it. It's simple as that.